Have you ever wondered how antibiotics actually kill bacteria? Yes, this is the topic of discussion, how antibiotics actually kill bacteria. There are so many mechanisms, and here in this video I am talking about only one mechanism, that is disruption of bacterial cell wall. Means bacteria is surrounded by a wall which is known as cell wall, which gives the bacteria structure as well as protection. So if you can somehow disrupt the formation of cell wall, then in that case, that way you can kill the bacteria. And to do this, what is required is the antibiotic, the correct antibiotic. So here in this video I am taking the example of penicillin. This is one kind of antibiotic. There are similar antibiotics which are used for the same purpose. Just means for the treatment of infections caused by bacteria. So what happens? The cell wall of bacteria, especially in case of, I am talking about gram-positive bacteria. In case of gram-positive bacteria, the structure of the cell wall of bacteria, means structure of the bacterial cell wall, is very tough. It is actually thicker as compared to gram-negative bacteria. So the requirement is to disrupt the formation of the cell wall, and to do this, the antibiotic penicillin is applied. It is administered. Okay, the antibiotic penicillin. So there is one enzyme. First of all, let me mention that the substance by which the cell wall is made is known as peptidoglycan. And there is one enzyme called penicillin binding proteins. Okay, if you can, actually penicillin, this antibiotic is used to block that enzyme. If the activity of that enzyme can be blocked by using this penicillin antibiotic, then the structure of the, formation of the cell wall of bacteria is not possible, or it is incomplete, it remains incomplete. So that way the bacterial cell wall becomes weak and fragile. So what happens, inside the bacterial cell, liquid is there. So for that, for the presence of that liquid, osmotic pressure is there. So if inside the cell wall, osmotic pressure becomes too much, which is not, means if the bacterial cell wall is not able to withstand that pressure, that too much, that excessive pressure, then in that case, there is a burst of the cell wall, and that way the bacteria die. Okay. So this is the mechanism behind using penicillin, which can disrupt the formation of the cell wall. But one more thing is that not all bacteria are defenseless. Here I was talking about the bacteria which are defenseless. In that case, if you if the penicillin antibiotic is administered, then it will be effective. But for all the bacteria, this is not effective. Means all the bacteria are not defenseless. Some bacteria are there which can produce beta-lactamase. Okay, means this is one kind of enzyme. And blocking of this enzyme by using penicillin is not possible. So in that case, other drugs are required. Okay, so this was the science behind the mechanism of disrupting the cell wall of bacteria, and that way we are killing bacteria by using antibiotics. But it is not like a random killing. This killing occurs at the microscopic level by disrupting the formation of the bacterial cell wall. This is the way bacteria are killed. Okay, so and one more thing I need to add at the end, that overuse and misuse of antibiotic. Overuse and misuse of antibiotics uh, contributing to the development of antibiotic resistance. So all of us should be careful enough while prescribing or using antibiotics. Okay, means everyone should be responsible, whether it is a healthcare professional or doctors or the patients. Everyone should be careful enough. Everyone should be responsible while using antibiotics. You use antibiotics only when it is absolutely necessary, otherwise don't use. And don't ever make excessive use of antibiotics. Anyway, so actually the topic was how bacteria are killed by using antibiotics. And the main answer to this question in a line is just by disrupting the cell wall of the bacteria. By disrupting the formation of the cell wall of bacteria, bacteria are killed. Okay, so this was all about the topic. So this is the end of this video. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.